to a very important geological function of mountains. We placed firmly embedded mountains on the earth so it would not move under them. As noticed, it is stated in the verse that the mountains have the function of preventing shocks on the earth. This fact was not known by anyone at the time the Quran was revealed. It was in fact brought to light recently as a result of the findings of modern geology. According to these findings, mountains emerged as a result of the movements and collisions of massive plates forming the Earth's crust. When two plates collide, the stronger one slides under the other. The one on top bends and forms heights and mountains. The layer beneath proceeds under the ground and makes a deep extension downward. That means that mountains have a portion stretching downwards as large as their visible portion on Earth. In a scientific text, the structure of mountains is described as follows. Where continents are thicker, as in mountain ranges, the crust sinks deeper into the mantle. In a verse, this role of the mountains is pointed out through a comparison with pegs. Have we not made the earth as a bed and the mountain its pegs? Mountains, in other words, clench the plates in the earth's crust together by extending above and beneath the earth's surface at the conjunction points of these plates. In this way, they fix the Earth's crust and prevent it from drifting over the magma stratum or among its plates.
Did you hear him saying, in this way, the mountain is fixing the Earth? Okay, let us see. So, this is true? Is that true? First, this is the graphic I got from many sources. And according to studies, that the earth is moving always and never stop moving, and the day the earth will stop moving, I'm talking about the earth as a plate, the plates, this is mean the earth is dead, which means the magma is zero temperature, it's cold, it's freezing. So when this guy, he said the mountain is fixing the surface of the earth, he is just being a big time fool. You can go and search in anywhere you want, anytime you want right now, in Google, in Yahoo, wherever you want. Go to NASA, send a question, go to anywhere you want, go to library, and you will see that earth plates never stop ever moving. And not only that, the verse in the Quran is saying the following. This is, he mentioned this one actually. He mentioned 78, 6 and 7. Actually he was talking about 7. Maybe because he's ashamed of the number 6. Now number 6 is the following. It says, we made the earth wide expanse. But by the way, this is the explanation of Muslims. For me, he's saying it's made the earth flat. And to show you it's saying that, we can go to different verse like this one. And we will see the Muslims translate the earth is flat as it's spread out. When there is nothing in there, it's called spread out, really. It says flat. Flat as a flat. And we can show you more verses saying that. Just to mention things and prove it right away, this is Surah 71, verse number 19. You will see in here saying, and Allah has made earth as a carpet. Now Muslims translating that spread out. So it is as carpet, flat. Okay, and bisata, by the way, is not only carpet, it's mean exactly flat, not carpet. So when we say in here that this is what it says, this is what it says. Anyway, so those mountains as set as pegs, which mean as nails. Now guys, I want to ask everyone here, how nails come, you know, what when we say nails, what nails mean? Nails is mean coming from above to inside, not from inside. Nails is something from we put from the top to the bottom. We push inside. This is what we call nail. We are nailing them. So those are supposedly like nails. And in Arabic we say autad. Autad is the big nails, a huge one. Like we use it for tent, like a Bedouin man, he used it for tent. Now, I want to ask everybody, mountains is coming from inside the earth, or it's coming like nails from outside of the earth? Mountains can be created in many ways. Can be created by a volcano, not as the Quran is saying, as nails coming from above, it's coming from inside. Or it can be coming from two pressure of plates, they are hitting each other, and this will cause mountains. So the one who made the video, he forgot that mountains are not really created by one cause. It can happen by the magma is coming out, we call it volcano. Let me teach you, Mr. Muslims, and shame on you when you make a video to lie. Now, so this is what will cause the mountains to lift up, either this one or as a volcano. Now, according to all kind of studies, that mountains never made earth stop shaking or moving, and the proof, we have earthquake all over the earth. Like in a place like Japan, they have every second an earthquake, and Japan is full of mountains, by the way. And as a proof that a state like Seattle or California or Hawaii or etc., those places have a lot of earthquake every second too, every second, all day long. Some of them we feel them, some of them we don't feel them. And the mountains is all over those states. So why the mountains are not preventing earth from shaking, as he claimed in the video? And he said it fixed the earth. Now, he forgot to mention that there is something happening always like this. According to science, that earth is not only moving, the plates, the tectonic plates is not only moving, it's moving far from each other, and they are changing locations. This is why we see in here in this graphic, this scientific graphic, showing us that Africa and America used to be so close, and some of them they say they used to be one. So if the earth is stopping earth from shaking and moving, so what is causing the earth from moving then? Where is the nails? Where is the nails he's talking about? There is no nails anymore? Or the nails are not exist in there? There is no mountains in here? And there is no mountains in here? In all of Africa? All of South America? Huh? What happened to the nails he's talking about? In the top of that, this is smart movie forgot to mention that earth movement is not only the one we show as two tectonic plate hitting each other. They might be this way, as you see, moving next to each other. So the mountains will not stop anything, and maybe even there is no mountains in there at all. Having a mountain here or here will not stop those from moving. So shame on you to lie. And there's different kind of movement. There's three ways of movement, and this is even happen underneath in the ocean, not only in the top of the earth as he claimed in the Quran. This is the one we did talk about, and this will cause the mountains to happen. The other, as we see, and the other one is this one. Here we go. This is the other way of movement. It's not necessary they are hitting each other. Maybe it is totally the opposite. Maybe they are spreading out, as we said in here, like the flash we showed you in here. You see? You see it? This is the same one. You see it? So it can be going apart, not hitting each other. So mountains will not stop any of those, and the Quran is just a stupid fool book. And always, guys, trust me, don't ever trust a video, even if that video costing millions to Muslims. Those people, they have no limitation of lies, and they have no shame, because in Surah 3 verse 28 it says to Muslims, you can do lie to protect Islam. It's called at-taqiyya, protection. You have to lie to protect Islam. And those people, they are not the one you can trust, ever. This is my advice. We knew Arabic, we grew up there, we are from there, we used to be one of them. Just to trust me, this is how it is. And go and do your own search, and if you see that I am not telling you the truth, you know what? Go to Islam and say Islam is the best. But if Islam is telling lies, go and say to every Muslim you see, shame on Muslims to lie and to lie and to lie. And lies will never make you better. Lies will make you look like a fool, and this is why Muslims look like a fool for me. Thank you all. Jesus is Lord. Islam is fool religion made by man for the man who is fool. Thank you.